Okay, boys and girls, read the story problem for number 16.
Anthony wants to make 2 gardens, each with an area of 24 square feet. He will buy boards to go around each garden. The garden has side links that are whole numbers. Draw 2 of the possible gardens. Which garden will use fewer boards?
Okay,
Explain.
for finding area, what do you do when you find area?
Multiply.
Okay, so you need to multiply 2 numbers that will equal 24. Give me one set of numbers that will equal 24, Alexander.
4 down and 6 up.
4 times 6. So 4 down and 6 across. Hey, can we call this garden A?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your question? Okay, did you write this down? Okay, that's garden A. They said there's 2 gardens because, yeah, there's a lot of numbers that it can equal 24. So, not just, and I don't want you to do the community property. I want it to be a whole different set of numbers. Okay? So, what is a separate set of numbers? 3 down and 8 across. Okay. 3 down, 8 across. Because 3 times 8 also equals 24, right? Yes. Okay. Let's write the numbers on the outside of these. The side links. Okay. Write the side links of these. Because we want to know for the boards that are going on the outside, which if we're finding the boards on the outside, that means we need to now find the perimeter. And how do you find perimeter? You do what, Callie?
You add all the sides up.
You add all the sides up. So let's add all the sides up for A. I like to do big numbers first. 6 plus 6 is what?
12.
4 plus 4 is what?
8.
What's 12 plus 8?
20.
Okay, so the perimeter is 20 for A. Okay. Now, let's find the perimeter for B. What did I say I like to do when I'm adding?
Big numbers.
Big numbers. So, my big numbers are 8. 8 plus 8 is?
16.
3 plus 3 is?
6.
16 plus 6 is?
22.
Okay, so this one equals 22. Okay, which garden would use fewer boards around the garden? Rectangle A or garden rectangle B? Cooper? Yes, because the perimeter is smaller, right? It is 2, we'll call this feet, yes, square feet, 2 square feet smaller. So it says explain which garden will use fewer boards. Garden A. Sorry, I know I didn't spell the G with it. First the G. Let's get that done. Okay. Garden A will use fewer boards.
Are we still going to write the capital A
In here. Yeah, you can write it. Okay, garden A will use fewer boards. Okay, you have to explain, so why is garden A fewer boards? Anna?
Because it has a fewer 2 square feet.
2 fewer square feet for its
Perimeter.
okay. Let's just say the perimeter is 2 fewer square feet. Okay. Because the perimeter is 2 fewer square feet. Okay, performance task now. Number 17, read the story problem.
Mr. Wicks designs houses. He uses grid paper to plan a new house design. The kitchen will have an area between 70 square feet and 85 square feet. The pantry will have an area between 4 square feet and 15 square feet. Draw and label a diagram to show what Mr. Wicks could design. Find the area of the kitchen. Find the area of the pantry. Okay. So, this says he's designing a house. So we can make a rectangle for a house because a lot of houses are rectangular in shape. They're not usually square, or they're not square, but they're not usually circle. They're not usually triangles, right? Houses are kind of rectangular, right? Okay, so we're going to draw a rectangle house where the kitchen, or actually we're just going to draw the kitchen. We're not even drawing the whole house. We're just drawing the kitchen. That has an area between 70 and 85 square feet. Guys, if we want an area that's between 70 and 85, that gives us a lot of room, okay? Think about this. When we are finding area, what do we do again? Multiply.
We multiply, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what two numbers could you multiply that could give you answers that are between 70 and 85? So it could be 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. It could be any of those. It could be any of those answers.
Maybe 70?
It says between, so I think it should be 71 to 84. Okay?
I think we could do this on our own.
Okay, Tyson, give me a number. It doesn't, what Tyson says does not mean what you have to say, okay? Okay, what equals 75? What two numbers equal 75? No, you're not getting it. That's not what it takes. No, you have to find, Tyson, what two numbers can you multiply? Because remember, area is multiplying to get the answer of 75. That's what it's asking. You can't just say 75. You have to find two numbers that equal 75. Okay, Cooper, what was yours?
12 times 7 equals 84.
12 times 7 equals 84. You guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, so we could make a kitchen that is 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 12 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's right. Okay. So that could be the kitchen. That is a huge kitchen.
Wait, does it have to be like that?
No. What's some other numbers that can equal something that's in between there?
Can you write that? 9 times 8.
9 times 8, which is what?
72.
72. So you could go 9 down and 8 across. Can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what could you do?
6 times 12.
What's 6 times 12?
72.
72. So if 6 times 12 is 72, you could go 6 down and 12 across, right? Give me another one.
8 times 10.
8 times 10, which is what?
8.
So you could go 8 down and 10 across, right?
Yep.
Give me another one. We had to do that. We had to do 7 times 12. We just did that one off of the phone that we just did. Okay? Bella? What's 7 times 11? 77. So we could do that, right? Aubrey, give me another one. What is 8 times 1? 80 times 10? 8 times 10, which is what? 80. Is that in between 70 and 85? Yes. Okay. If you want to do 8 down and 10 across, that's fine. Okay. We got 9 times 9.
Yeah, I have one, but it's one we haven't learned. You should do 5 times 15.
5 times 15?
Yeah, because that's if you do 12. Yeah, I was going to say that.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. So we have lots of different options, right? But I wrote the first one that you guys told me, which was 7 and 12, right?
Yeah.
That's the first one you guys told me?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have, if you did a different one, then you have to just find your own answer. Okay? So because I did 7 times 12, what is 7 times 12? Did you guys tell me?
84.
What do you guys tell me it was?
84.
Okay, so my area is 84, but that's from mine because I did 7 times 12. If you guys did something else, then you need to find your area and write it down.
I did that. I want to do mine.
Do yours. I never asked you to do anything different, did I? Okay. Now we need to find the area of the pantry. It says the pantry is between 4 and 15. So find 2 numbers that can have an answer between 4 and 15.
5 times 1.
5 times 1. So if I did 5 times 1, I'd probably make 1 out and 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my pantry. Okay? That's 1 times 5. I have 5 on the outside and 1 going for the width. Okay? Now, because I did what she just told me, now you guys can do your own, but because I did what she just told me, I'm going to write 5 for my area. Now, let's come up with some other ones that you guys know that have answers between 4 and 5. 2 multiplication things that come before 4 and 8. Now, I know we're not all going to have the same answers on this, okay? And that's all right. Now, I just did my 2, and now B says find the total. It says draw and label the diagram, which I did. I have 7 feet by 12 feet and 5 feet by 1. This is a 1 right here if you can't see it. See if I can. Oops. There. Now you can see my 1. Okay? And so now I just want to, it says find the total area. So I want to find the total area and I'm combining it. Total and combine both mean what?
Addition.
Addition. So I'm going to add my 2 numbers up for the whole kitchen. 84 plus 5, which I know is 89. So I'm going to write that down. But you guys might have different ones. So now you have to add up your 2 numbers and write the answer down. And then you're done.